SuperMindz. Guess the color. Which color pencil is the boy holding? It's red. Can you find the color green? What color is the dog's eye? Black. Which color is the whale? Light blue. How many colors can you find in this bee? 4. How many blue color pencils are there on the table? 4. Can you find the red apple? Who is wearing a green t-shirt? Girl or boy? Girl. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. What color is the starfish? Pink. Find the red color on the bus. What color is their hair? Brown. What color is the boy's eye? Blue. Can you point the purple cube? If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.